Let's know what is FPGA and VLSI design. FPGAs, or Field Programmable Gate Arrays, are programmable after manufacturing, allowing flexibility for multiple use cases. It is introduced in 1985 by a leading technology manufacturer. They can be reconfigured without physically modifying the hardware. FPGAs consist of programmable logic blocks, PLBs, and flexible interconnects that perform complex operations or act as simple logic gates. They include memory elements for digital data storage, from single-bit flip-flops to dense memory arrays. FPGAs are valued for their high performance, low latency, and real-time flexibility. It is commonly used in telecommunications, automotive, and aerospace industries. Interested in a VLSI career? Reach out to us. www.semicontech.com. Write to us at info@semicontech.com or call 91-7624-997721 or 91-87123-03410. Thank you for watching.